Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen. Blankita lifestyle.
Delicious.
Got the recipes for ya.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
In your tummy, tummy.
Got the recipes for ya.
Welcome back. So today's recipe, we're going to be making a delicious focaccia and start with some yeast, a tablespoon in a cup of water at 110 degrees with a teaspoon of sugar. That's going to help the yeast do its bubbly action. Exactly what it's doing now. So satisfying. I like it. We're going to use 2/3 cups of flour and sift that into a large mixing bowl. This helps aerate your flour so it can be more tender and soft. Start with a tablespoon of granulated garlic, a half a tablespoon of oregano, a teaspoon of rosemary, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And this is how your yeast is supposed to look like. Now we're gonna whisk the dry ingredients together to make sure they're well incorporated and create a beautiful little well. Pour in your yeast mixture and add in a 1/4 cup of oil. Knead it for about 15 minutes and make sure you put oil all around it and in your bowl. And I like to put it in the microwave and cover it with a wet paper towel for about an hour. Once you let it rise, you take it out and you just stretch it out and add some olive oil with your brush. And then what I like to do is I'll add in some coarse sea salt just to give it that extra little punch. And I added onions, zucchini, red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and the obvious Parmesan cheese. Once you have it like that, take the same paper towel, make sure it's wet, and cover it for another 20 minutes. It's gonna rise again. Then you're gonna preheat your oven at 425 and add that in for at least 17 minutes, and voila! Here you have it. Yummy homemade focaccia bread, and it can also be easily turned into a pizza. I hope you enjoy this. Buen provecho! Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, here's some more that you can check out. Every Sunday at noon, I release a brand new video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Like that, you'll be notified as soon as one of my videos is released. Hope to hear from you soon. Enjoy!